Late 2022. ChatGPT has been online for just a few weeks, and editorial teams are already having the familiar debate. Some call it a revolution, others dismiss it as hype, and a third group quietly tests it, asking it to draft emails to executives and being genuinely surprised by the quality. The tech industry goes through waves like this all the time. Blockchain, VR, the metaverse. Every time someone predicts the end of the world as we know it, and reality turns out to be more nuanced. But the key difference with the current AI wave is simple. The value is tangible right now. No crypto wallet, no VR headset. Marketers save time on copy, developers speed up debugging, managers turn hour-long meetings into 2-minute summaries. The underlying research is decades old, but only recently became accessible and user-friendly. That raises a practical question. If paid tiers are clearly stronger, why do free versions matter at all? There are several reasons. First, to see whether you actually need a subscription. Second, regional payment restrictions still exist, and subscriptions may be hard to activate. Third, premium features often don't pay off for casual use. If you rewrite an email once a week, a $20 per month plan won't give you real ROI. And finally, the simplest reason, budgets are limited, but curiosity is not. In this video, we'll discuss what free plans really offer. No marketing promises, just real limits and real constraints. We'll start with chat assistants, then move to image and video generators. Here's the core rule. Free AI tools aren't crippled demos. They're usable products with ceilings. Those ceilings usually look like daily request limits, model downgrades after you hit the cap, slower processing, watermarks, restrictions on commercial use, and privacy settings you have to configure manually. So the goal is not to find the single best AI. The goal is to build a toolkit. One tool for long documents, another for source-backed research, another for images, another for video. OpenAI follows the classic freemium model, enough functionality to make you want the upgrade. On the free plan, the flagship model is GPT 5.5, but access is capped, roughly 10 messages every 5 hours, after which the chat drops to a lighter mini version until the limit resets. The second technical ceiling is a 16,000 token context window, about 13,000 to 14,000 words, so longer documents often won't fit as a whole. From there, paid tiers expand context and add advanced modes and tools. But the takeaway is simple. ChatGPT is a strong, general assistant, yet heavy work quickly runs into limits. Claude positions itself as a more thoughtful alternative. Its standout advantage is the context window. 200,000 tokens on paid plans. The free tier usually offers the same ceiling, but it isn't guaranteed. Anthropic notes that a free plan's context and limits can vary with current demand. Either way, that's enough to upload large documents. But there's a trade-off. The free usage limits can be opaque. Claude typically doesn't show remaining quota. Instead, at some point, it will tell you to wait or upgrade. Switching to a lighter model can sometimes extend your free usage. If your work is document-heavy, Claude is often the most convenient free option. Gemini's free tier looks generous. Uploads, web search, research modes, text and code tools, and more. But the pattern is familiar. At some point, you're moved to a weaker model, or you hit a quota limit. Gemini's true differentiator is not only the model, it's ecosystem integration. If you live in Gmail, Docs, and other Google services, the workflow gains can be substantial, rewriting emails or summarizing docs right where you work. Across many services, free tiers may allow data usage for training, unless you manually opt out in settings. Perplexity behaves more like next-generation search than a classic chatbot. Its key feature is citations. Answers come with sources, so you can verify claims. That makes it ideal for research and fact-checking, not just text generation. Answers come with sources, so you can verify claims. That makes it ideal for research and fact-checking. Some advanced features and uploads may be limited to paid plans, but as a find arrow, verify arrow, summarize tool, Perplexity is one of the strongest. Copilot bets on familiarity, web, mobile, and deep Windows presence. It offers multiple modes and additional tools like image generation and file analysis. The biggest limitation remains, full integration inside Office apps typically requires a separate subscription. The free browser-based Copilot can be great, until you want native Word/Excel/PowerPoint editing and automation. Quick summary. Free tiers are usable, but different. For long documents, Claude. For source-backed answers, Perplexity. For Google Workflows, Gemini. For Microsoft, Copilot. And for a general assistant, ChatGPT. Image generation is often more transparent. Most services use credits or tokens. You can see how much is left. That's good. But credits also disappear fast if you work at volume. 3 things matter here: watermarks, commercial use rights, and privacy. Some services make free generations public. When limits are strict, prompt quality becomes crucial. The more specific, the fewer wasted generations. DALL-E 3 inside ChatGPT. Convenient, but often limited. Bing Image Creator. Very accessible, generous daily usage, but watermarks. Leonardo has a strong creator toolset. Stable Diffusion offers power, but has strict daily credits. Playground AI is great for experimentation. Note that Midjourney has no full free tier in 2026. Video generation is still the most compute-intensive area. That's why free tiers usually mean short clips, limited resolution, credits, and often watermarks. But progress is real. Free short videos are now possible, within constraints. Bing Video Creator. Free standard mode, short vertical clips, fast mode via reward points. A practical entry point. Pika. Focused on creative clips and effects, limited by credits. Runway. Free credits are essentially a demo. Use once, then you hit the wall. Synthesia. A different category. Corporate education videos with speaking avatars. Some stable free allowance, but with constraints, often downloads. DID offers avatar videos with a trial period and strict minute limits. No matter which service you pick, free tiers repeat the same patterns: request limits and model downgrades. Expect slow processing, watermarks, public generations, and privacy settings you must enable manually. An important warning: limit bypassing via multiple accounts is prohibited and can lead to bans. If you want to use free AI tools effectively, here's the strategy. Split tasks across services. Documents, research, images, video. Track reset cycles and plan around them. Improve your prompts to save generations. Always check terms for watermarks, commercial use, and privacy. Bottom line, in 2026, free AI tools are not toys. They're real instruments with clear boundaries. For most everyday tasks, free tiers are enough, if you don't rely on a single service for everything. A practical default bundle might look like Claude for long documents, Perplexity for source-backed research, add a credit-friendly image generator and short video tools, while accepting that serious video production usually requires paid plans or your own compute. Try a few free options, see which limits actually affect you, and only then decide if a paid plan is worth it. The full list, comparison tables, and links are available in the article. Thanks for watching.